Welcome to Microsoft Flight Simulator 2020. Today there's been a new update to the Airbus H135. There is slightly different liveries. The new Helionox Nix one plus all the old ones, so we'll try that one. So we're going to take off from, go around Dubai. What's that place called? Burj Khalifa. We'll go there, we'll go there, and we'll go there, and then we'll land there. So, oh no, we'll land here. So I'll zoom in here, we'll select some parking so we can see the helicopter cold and dark. So check out these links here. If you see anything, this should load pretty quickly. I've done this flight. Just quickly, this is the website for the helicopter. 0.82. I've downloaded and installed it. I do have a boat mod that puts more boats in the game. So, the guys that made the helicopter passing the shiny test. Okay. Oh yeah, what's this thing? Open. Oh, an iPad. Weird. Do we get one on the other side? Maybe no. Wow. Didn't notice that. Okay, so the stick moves. The rotor pedals don't. The collective does move, but not right now. Okay, so engine not started. So what we need to do is, you have a look here, it says scroll. We need to take the engine one from off, try and keep my head still, to the center, which is idle, but we also need to turn on the battery. The avionics is now here, so that's on. Turn the battery on. Okay, so scroll this forward to idle, and we'll do the same, engine 2. So move my throttle just to make sure nothing's going on. While that's going, we will turn on the pitot heat. These switches are working now. Fuel. Open the cargo doors. Parking brake off. Lights. Have a look outside. The boot's open. The rear doors are open. Don't need you, mate. I don't know what you're doing. Okay. This iPad's a bit weird. Do we really need this? Okay. So collective's not moving right now. I've got some warnings. Door open. Oh yeah, it is open. I'll do that. You can open these doors. So if you want to. So power up test okay. EPU available. Rotor RPM. So to take off, we need to go flight, and both of them go. So I just scrolled up on that one and it did both, and we should have collective. This is engine 1, this is engine 2, which is weird. So like a collective has like a motorbike grip for throttle, and you pull up and down for collective, for up and down. I'll reset my trim. Reset this, and a little left, close to the desk. Little left rudder and up on the collective. Should lift off earlier. No. So I'll try not to hit him. I'm pulling back on the stick quite a bit to keep from nosing in. See if we can get a bit of momentum up. Push the collective up. Hold it away. If you go to 100% it goes red, so we'll bring it back. So we'll head over this way. Tilt forward. Now. Airspeed's coming up. Look at that massive building. H135. Did I say that right? Princess Tower. Casting shadows. So that's like a palm tree, marina, canal sort of. Marina life living, and there's a map of the world out over there, same sort of thing, big massive highways. Never been here in real life. So we'll head over to this Burj Al Arab and see if we can land on the helipad. So I'll get a bit of altitude so we drop down on it. And I want to kill my velocity. Slowly. See how cleanly I can do this. Probably high enough. I'll come back on the collective. Use the rotor as a wing. Back a bit more. Oh wow, the sound is so good. Okay, coming back a lot. There's the helipad. Dropping a little quicker than I want to. Okay. Freaked out there, sorry about that. So we've got the wagging going. I've got full left rudder on. Okay, I think it's stopped. No. Try not to hit the building. This was a lot better before. Sorry about this. Okay. No. Yes. No. Okay, I'm going to try and drop. try and stop moving that way. So that's my hot air indicator on the compass. Okay. Sort of tense up when I'm landing. Try not to. Well, this is out of control, so we'll try again. Wow. Stop wagging. Oh my god. This could be ground effects, it could be updraft, it could be glitches. Alright. Alright. Can we do it? A bit out of control, isn't it? Okay. No. Yes. No. Should be close. Okay, here we go. Oh, that feels a lot better. Anyway. Oh wow. So we'll just drop this back to idle. Keep my head still. Just so it's safe. Getting the drone. So, not the best landing. But there you go. Alright. Back up on the FADEC. Flight mode. Yeah, I don't know what it is about the wagging. I get it quite a bit when I fly. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. So, taking off, I'll back away, and then spin around. Try not to catch the edge. And I'll head off over towards the big pointy building. Dip forward and get our airspeed up. Now altitude's going up too. There goes our airspeed. That's pretty good. Thump, 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 thump. Yeah, if you're listening to this on a phone, probably not doing it justice. I'd hate to be playing this through a subwoofer to be annoying someone, neighbours and whatnot. The sound is so much better. So, building airspeed. A little right rudder. Gets us pointing in the direction we're going. So that's the map of the world out there. I can't remember where the F1 track is, but it'll be beside the sea, of course. Burj Khalifa. So to me, like, these sort of tall buildings, I mean, the buildings below the Burj probably be the tallest building in Brisbane. Would be these tall buildings' heights, so that Burj Khalifa would be 5 times higher than anything we've got. I don't even know if we could build something that big in Australia. like the foundation would be huge, of course. So massive building. What's that? That's like, that's at least 50 floors there. We have 60-story buildings. That's about it. I don't think we have 80. I think 160 stories from memory. So I'm sort of tilting back to kill my airspeed and gain altitude. The best way to fly a helicopter is to actually move. Like hovering and climbing takes forever, so you want to use airspeed. But once we get to a hover, we'll start wagging. Yep. And slowly rising at 88 torque, so not quite 100. I'm having to balance the hover. That's pretty close to what the stick's doing. Alright, we're moving away. See how high it is. I've reset the TOT's red. I've reset the barometer, so this is indicated altitude. So we're getting to about 2,600 feet, pretty close to the top. I don't know what feet to meters is right now. I'm flying a helicopter, but I think it's over a kilometer or under. Maybe about 800 meters. So 2,800 coming up. Crazy. Well, now we don't want to crash into it. Lots of wagging going on. I'll just go this way. And then spin around. Get a better view. Look at it. Oh my god. So high. Like planes come in to land in Brisbane at 2,000 meters, 2,000 feet, so well, wagging. Looking at the ground, not a good idea. That gets me velocity, airspeed. We'll head out to the Maidan grandstand. I've seen this in a documentary, a horse documentary, Men Behaving Badly guy did one, pretty good. So apparently this grandstand is a horse racing facility. Millions of dollars, billions of dollars invested. But they race horses, they don't gamble. Gambling's illegal. So they just do it to watch the horses, which is, I guess, pretty cool. So a whole industry and no gambling. Massive. sensors start about there and around they go. Huge amount of spectators at the in-track. Looks like a parade area. It's just massive. Australia's got nothing on that. Okay, so we'll head out of here and land at this Dubai airport. Must be more horse racing practice, I guess. Training. Desert, green. For some reason this airport is green. Let's see if we can do a better landing here. So looks very bumpy. We will spin around and land. We're back on the collective. Lots of right. I'm gonna just see if I can stop. I don't think you'd land a helicopter normally like this. Probably make everybody sick, including the pilot.
Emirates Center, Emirates 75, visit 9,400 feet, climbing 10,000 feet.
Air traffic control.
Emirates 75, Emirates Center, continue as planned. Altimeter 29.991.
That is very annoying. That should be off. Okay. So we're moving, if you look at the hover indicator, we're moving forward. Pretty good landing so far. Let's see if we can nail it. Creeping forward, very close to the ground. I don't know what that feels like. That's it. Alright, so we'll get this down to probably should let that idle for a while to cool the motor down. But that should kill the trigger the end of flight. No landings. That's annoying sometimes. I guess you've got to follow protocols to get a takeoff and landing. But anyway, that's the new update for the helicopter. H135. So Hype Performance Group is the guys that made it. And I hope you enjoyed that, and thanks for watching.